Still no word on whether the police officer who accidentally fired his gun at the Target store will be disciplined. But the president of the Police Officers Union, Chopo, says the officer does not deserve to be punished. Manolo Morales broke this story and now follows up. Manolo?
Joe, Tanari Maafala says the whole thing was an accident, so no crime was committed. It happened Saturday night in the bathroom of the Salt Lake store. The bullet ricocheted and hit the wall of the next stall, but nobody was hurt. HPD says the officer is still on patrol duty because he's not endangering the public. An investigation has been launched, and it's not clear if the officer will be punished.
I don't think he should be because, again, like I said, this is a great officer. You know, he made an honest mistake, an honest accident. It was purely an accidental discharge. It's not like he went there to intently let a round off in a stall. And I can understand why Chief Kealoha did not put him on ROPA or put him on administrative leave, because it was accidental. There's no criminal implications or criminal intent.
Maafala says it was an unfortunate situation that happened to a good officer who has been with HPD for 2 years. As to why there was no report of the incident made available to the public, Maafala says there was no cover-up. Police officers need to make a full investigation before filing such a report to protect the police department from liability. Now, police officers were issued new types of guns this year called Glocks, but Maafala says that has nothing to do with any misfiring incidents because officers get intensive training before handling their firearms. Manolo Morales, KHON 2 News.